Discover 6 shocking benefits of eating eggs for your body. Welcome to the channel, where today we will explore a food that you probably have in your refrigerator, but perhaps you don't know all of its amazing health benefits. Eggs. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat eggs regularly? If yes, you are in the right place. Stay with us until the end, and you will discover why you should consider making eggs an essential part of your daily diet. 1. Protect your liver. We finish our list with a benefit that often goes unnoticed: liver protection. A review published in Advances in Nutrition explained that choline is essential to prevent the accumulation of fats in the liver, which prevents diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver. The liver is responsible for many vital functions, including cholesterol production, and eggs help regulate this production. Interestingly, by consuming eggs, the liver reduces cholesterol production to balance the levels in the body. This is essential since cholesterol is necessary to produce hormones such as testosterone, estrogen, and cortisol. So, by including eggs in your diet, you contribute to hormonal regulation and liver health. 2. Reduces inflammation. Did you know that chronic inflammation can be the root of many diseases, including heart problems and arthritis? Fortunately, eggs contain dietary phospholipids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Recent research published in the journal Nutrients showed that there is a relationship between the intake of phospholipids from eggs and the reduction of inflammation in the body. Additionally, choline plays an important role in this process, helping to maintain metabolism and cellular function. Reducing inflammation is not only beneficial for the heart, but it also improves muscle recovery after exercise and helps maintain a stronger immune system. Paul M. Ridker, Director of the Center for Cardiovascular Disease Prevention at Harvard Brigham and Women's Hospital, stresses the importance of keeping inflammation levels under control to protect long-term health. 3. Protect your eyesight. Eye health is another area where eggs can have a positive impact. 2 antioxidants found in egg yolk, lutein and zeaxanthin, have a protective effect on the eyes. These antioxidants help reduce the risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration, 2 conditions that commonly affect people as they age. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, participants who consumed about 1.3 yolks per day over a 5-week period experienced a significant increase in blood levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, which improved their eye health. While many people seek supplements to protect their eyesight, eggs offer a natural and affordable solution. Who knew that including more eggs in your diet could make a difference for your eyes? 4. Reduces stress and anxiety. We live in a world that can often be overwhelming and stressful. This is where eggs can come to the rescue. A study published in 2004 in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences showed that lysine, an essential amino acid found in eggs, can help reduce stress and anxiety levels by modulating serotonin activity in the nervous system. Serotonin is known as the happiness hormone and plays a crucial role in regulating mood and behavior. An imbalance in serotonin levels can lead to problems such as anxiety and depression. Including eggs in your diet can be a natural support to maintain your emotional well-being. In addition, the positive effect they have on mental health can impact other aspects of your life, such as the quality of your sleep and your ability to maintain healthy habits. If you've noticed that high-stress days lead you to overeat or avoid foods, eggs can be a tool to help you stabilize your appetite and emotions. 5. Reduces the risk of breast cancer. One of the least known aspects of eggs is their ability to help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast cancer. A study conducted by Harvard University found that consuming eggs during adolescence could have a positive impact on preventing breast cancer in adulthood. But it's not just about eating eggs when you're young. The benefits of choline, an essential nutrient present in egg yolk, are valid for all ages. Choline is known to play a vital role in building cell membranes and proper brain function. In fact, research from the University of North Carolina indicated that adequate choline intake can reduce the risk of breast cancer by 24%. Although the daily recommendation for choline is 425 milligrams for women and 550 milligrams for men, a single egg contains approximately 125 milligrams of choline. So, consuming 2 eggs a day could bring you closer to meeting your recommended daily intake. It is important to mention that although choline has significant benefits, it does not replace the need to lead a healthy lifestyle and have regular medical checkups. Therefore, if you're concerned about the risk of cancer, always consult your doctor. 6. Boost your weight loss. We start with a benefit that will surely catch the attention of many. Eggs can help you lose weight.
Surprised?
A study by the Rochester Obesity Research Center found that eating eggs for breakfast can make you feel fuller longer and reduce your total caloric intake throughout the day by more than 400 calories. This translates into a weight loss of up to 1.5 kilograms per month just by making a change in your breakfast. Why is this happening? Eggs are rich in high-quality protein, and protein is known for its ability to promote satiety. When you eat a high-protein breakfast, like eggs, it takes your body longer to digest it, which keeps your hunger in check and decreases the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. So, if you are looking for a natural way to lose weight, consider adding eggs to your morning diet. Plus, eggs are versatile and you can prepare them in many delicious ways: scrambled, boiled, poached, or in an omelet. What is your favorite way to eat eggs? Leave it in the comments. Conclusion: as you have seen, eggs are not only a source of protein, they are a superfood with multiple benefits for your health. From helping you lose weight and reduce stress, to protecting your eyes and caring for your liver, eggs are a great addition to your diet. Of course, as with any food, it is important to consume them in moderation and make sure they are of good quality, preferably from chickens raised outdoors and fed a diet rich in omega-3. And you, how many eggs do you consume a day? Have you noticed any of these benefits in your own life? Leave us your answers and your best health tips in the comments. Remember to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications so you don't miss our daily health and wellness tips. Don't forget to like the video and share it if you found it useful. See you in the next video.